Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we have something exciting to talk about the TOPDON Phoenix Lite 2, a bi-directional scan tool that's creating quite a buzz in the automotive world. Let's dive right in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Let's talk about the design. Right out of the box, the Phoenix Lite 2 impresses with its sleek design and sturdy build. It feels like a premium tool, something you'd expect to see in a professional mechanic's shop. The 8-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, and the interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll be up and running in no time. What sets the Phoenix Lite 2 apart are its features and functions. Full system scan, say goodbye to guessing games. The Phoenix Lite 2 can scan every major system in your car, from the engine and transmission to the ABS and airbags. It'll read and clear diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), giving you a clear picture of what's ailing your machine. Bidirectional control. This is where things get really cool. Unlike basic scanners, the Phoenix Lite 2 can actually talk to your car. It can activate components like fuel injectors, pumps, and solenoids, letting you pinpoint the exact source of the problem. No more throwing parts at it and hoping for the best. 34 plus reset services, oil changes, brake bleeds, tire pressure monitoring system. TPM's resets. The Phoenix Lite 2 handles them all. Save yourself time and money by skipping the dealership for these routine maintenance tasks. ECU coding. Want to tweak your car's performance or unlock hidden features? The Phoenix Lite 2 can do that too, with safe and authorized ECU coding options. Just be sure to research any mods before diving in. 2 years free updates. TOPDON keeps their software fresh, so you'll always have the latest diagnostic power at your fingertips. No more paying extra for new features. It's all included for 2 whole years. It supports all 10 TOPDON test modes, including reading and clearing codes, live data, streaming, and performing advanced functions like bidirectional control. This means you can actively test components, initiate specific actions, and even reprogram modules. The Phoenix Lite 2 allows professional technicians to take on more jobs with access to automotive coverage for over 200 vehicle makes, including GM, Ford, Chrysler, Benz, BMW, and more. Multilingual support, 24 languages. Navigating through the menus is straightforward, even for beginners. The user interface is intuitive, and the device provides clear instructions for each function. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a deer, you'll find the Phoenix Lite 2 user-friendly. Connectivity is key, and the Phoenix Lite 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi for quick and easy software updates. The Bluetooth capability allows for wireless communication with the vehicle, giving you more freedom to move around while working. Here are some pros and cons about the Phoenix Lite 2. Pros: powerful, affordable, easy to use, portable. Cons: subscription required for some features, limited customer support. In conclusion, the TOPDON Phoenix Lite 2 is a powerful bidirectional scan tool that brings advanced diagnostic capabilities to your fingertips. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this tool is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.